Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we will check out the top 5 best air fryers. I mean honestly is based on my personal opinion and I've tried to list them based on the price, functionality, durability, and many more things. You can find links to all these efforts down in the description below. Okay, so let's start with the list. And number 5, we have the Avalon Bay AB Air Fryer 100. The Avalon Bay Air Fryer is a great fryer which will let you fry, bake, grill or roast your food for you and your family easily. This infra uses a combination of high-speed circulation which makes the hot air rapidly circulate within the airframe. It has a lot of useful features such as adjustable temperature control, automatic shutoff and more. It can be bought in 3 colors: black, white, and red. It's pretty easy to clean and some parts of this route are dishwasher safe. So this makes it a great air fryer for people that are lazy and don't like to waste too much time cleaning it or whatever. No stop at number 4 we have the Philips HD92 20-26. In this video we are going to list a few Philips air fryer because simply they are amazing. With this Philips air fryer you can fry your favorite foods with a tablespoon of oil or less. This fry has the bed and the starfish designed on his basket, and that means that your food will be cooked evenly for a great taste. It can do a lot of things. It grills, roasts, steamed, and also bakes. So if you're someone that is lazy and doesn't really like to cook, then this air fryer will be a great choice for you. Finished products are generally very durable too, so that's a big plus for this product. At number 3, we have the T-File FZ7. 2X Tech Defrag Devel is not a very famous company, but almost every product they release is amazing, including this air fryer. It has a unique steering pedal and boasts heart system which cooks food to perfection. This fryer features the bowl seat system which will make sure that the oil is distributed evenly on every piece of food so the food will taste amazing, and the app is very easy to use. And all you have to do is load all the food into the pan, put a bit of oil into it and then close the clear lid and let it do the rest. Is basically good choice for people that live alone and don't know how to cook, so this one will be very helpful for these people. And number 2 we have the Philips Digital Air Fry. I mentioned earlier that we are going to leave a few Philips air fryers on this list, and this is the second one. This air fryer has 1425 watts of power and can make delicious food. You can adjust the temperature of this air fryer as you wish, so if you'd like your food cooked in lower temperature you can do it easily with this fry. It has everything you would need in an air fryer. However, it might be a bit small if you have a family of more than 4 people because it has a small moving capacity. So if you want to cook for multiple people, you will need to do it a few times, or you can just buy the next product which we'll see in this video because it has a larger capacity. At number 1 we have the Philips XL air fryer. To finish off our list we have the Philips XL air fryer because it has everything you need in an air fry. This is an air fryer which has 1800 watts of power and 2.65 pounds cooking capacity plus a digital interface. What I like the most about the Philips XL air fryer is that the preset cooking function. This is a very helpful feature which will make your life much easier, especially if you like to eat the same foods after. It's a pretty large air fryer, so if you have a family of 4 people this will be the perfect choice for you because it will make the cooking process much faster. Overall it's an amazing fryer which is not that expensive, has a lot of features to offer. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. I've listed all these products down in description below so you can go check them out if you like, and thank you again for watching. Take care.